video. Today I'll be unboxing my mystery tackle box. So what I have in this month's box, this is June. This is the June box. So it's like a lot of good stuff. So first off, we have the Impact Flipping Jig from Nicole's Lures. It retails for $3.89. It's like a little jig. Take it out of the package for y'all. It comes with these toothpick things, and I don't know what they're for. I guess to hold on to the bait. Because I don't know what that is. Anyway, it's just a little jig with a weed guard. Standard weed guard. Big, gigantic hook on it. So next up we have the Evil Twin by Breezer Baits. Retails for $3.06. These are twin-tail grubs, I guess. Yeah, twin-tail grubs and June bug, I think. Doesn't have any taste to it. So then we have some weighted swim bait hooks by Mustad in 4-aught size. Comes with 2. There's swim bait hooks. So then we have the Velcro by BioSpawn. So then we have the BioSpawn Velcro. Retails for $3.59. Comes like it's like a little crawfish. A little salty. So then we have the So then we have the Sparrow by Strike Pro. Retails for $11.96. It's the tournament grade crankbait. It's a really big one too. So this is a pretty big crankbait for. It's not a square bill, but it has really cool colors. So that's it for this month's box. But then we have the sticker. MTB sticker. Look at this box. Oh, wait, we got one more thing. Some garlic scent by MTB.